is on her bedroom floor. She's got a crush on the guy at the liquor store. 'Cause Mr. Charming don't come home anymore, and she forgets why she came here.
Sleeping Beauty's in a fine mood for shame. She says, "Not for you, dear prince, I'm tired today. I'd rather sleep my whole life away than have you keep me from dreaming. 'Cause I don't care for your fairy tales. You're so worried about the maiden, though you know she's only waiting on the next best thing. Next best thing. Snow White is doing dishes again, 'cause what else can you do? It's have a needy bitty man. Sends them to bed and she calls up a friend, say, "Would you meet me at midnight?" Oh, the top blonde lets out a cry of despair, says, "Would have cut it myself if I knew man could climb. Here, I'll have to find another tower somewhere and keep away from the windows. 'Cause I don't care for your fairy tales. You're so worried about the maiden, though you know she's only waiting on the next best thing. Next best thing." Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, man made up a story, said that I should believe him. Go and tell your white knight that he's handsome in hindsight, but I don't want the next best thing. So I sing and hold my head down and I break these words around me. Can't take no more of your fairy tale love. 'Cause I don't care for your fairy tales. You're so worried about the maiden, though you know she's only waiting on the next best thing. I don't care. I don't care. You worry about the maiden, though you know she's only waiting. Spent her whole life being graded on the sanctity of patience and a dumb appreciation, but the story needs some mending and a better happy ending. 'Cause I don't want the next best thing.